Okay, first morning in the USA, and now we are going to rent a car later, and then we will on the way to each customer's house and studios.
Finally, we rent a car, and it is a very big car. Tony today is our driver, and now we are on the way to Jessica's house. Nice to meet you at your home, Jessica. See you.
I like the lower quantity because it's less work. Affordable option and a commercial.
Yeah, after talk with Woody.
January
is as well.
Woody.
Okay.
Woody.
They were very easy to deal with.
Yeah.
No problems, good communication, and everything was pushed through really fast.
Thank you.
Like word of mouth, somebody says something good about your company, and then that's how I found you guys, through reviewing, and I started looking up videos on YouTube, and somebody did like a review on you guys, and they were just like, it was a great.
How do you input the designs? By USB?
By USB.
Okay. But maybe
we haven't used the Wi-Fi yet.
Wi-Fi.
It's probably better that way because we're not going to back.
This one, or maybe this one. Then keep the needle, don't touch the hole. Size.
Only with one.
One needle bar is okay.
Okay.
Every needle. This is this one. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 3.
The title to change, so it's extra time.
She's made a couple adjustments for me for free, and then I had to redo it to be that long way, so I paid her for that too.
Okay. For this design,
yeah,
because it's not small,
right?
You can be anywhere. It's big, so position is very important,
right?
Otherwise, it's pull out.
And then do you mean position it while I'm hooping it, or where it is on the machine itself?
It's tracing.
Okay.
Tracing, yeah.
One machine traces the area of embroidery, so just notice when it's come to the top,
yeah,
it won't be pull out.
Is that right? How it is right now? Is that how it should look? Is that pulling it off?